Welcome to Technify. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best pellet grills of 2024. If you're a grilling enthusiast, these pellet grills offer the perfect blend of convenience, flavor, and performance. We'll explore the standout features, design, and cooking experience that make each of these grills a top choice for backyard chefs. Whether you're looking for a beginner-friendly option or a gourmet grilling powerhouse, you'll find the perfect pellet grill here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and give us a thumbs up so you never miss an update from Technify. Let's get started. Number 5. ZGrill 7002C2E Pellet Grill. The ZGrill 7002C2E Pellet Grill is a versatile outdoor cooking machine that combines the functions of a grill, smoker, oven, and barbecue in one unit, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned grill masters. This grill features a spacious 700-square-inch cooking surface, perfect for large gatherings or family meals, and an advanced digital control system that maintains precise temperature control from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The wood pellet system provides rich, smoky flavors to enhance your food, while the automated pellet feed system ensures consistent cooking without the need for constant monitoring. With its durable stainless steel construction, easy-to-clean grease management system, and convenient storage cabinet, the ZGrill 7002C2E is built for long-lasting performance and ease of use, making outdoor cooking a more enjoyable experience. Number 4. Traeger Pro 575 Wood Pellet Grill. The Traeger Pro 575 Wood Pellet Grill is a versatile, high-performance grill that offers both grilling and smoking capabilities with the convenience of digital precision. Powered by a Digital Pro D2 controller with Wi-Fi technology, it allows you to control and monitor the grill from your smartphone via the Traeger app, ensuring consistent temperatures and perfect results every time. The Pro 575 features a robust 18-pound hopper capacity for extended cooking sessions, while the porcelain-coated grill grates provide a non-stick surface that's easy to clean. With a 575-square-inch cooking area, it offers ample space for grilling, smoking, baking, roasting, braising, and barbecuing a wide variety of foods. The grill's sturdy construction and all-weather wheels make it durable and easy to maneuver, while its efficient pellet consumption and precise temperature control, ranging from 165 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensure consistent, wood-fired flavor. Ideal for both beginners and seasoned grillers, the Traeger Pro 575 combines traditional wood-fired taste with modern convenience and technology. Number 3. Traeger Grill's Tailgator. The Traeger Grill's Tailgator is a compact and portable wood pellet grill designed for easy outdoor cooking, whether tailgating, camping, or in your backyard. With a cooking area of 300 square inches and a hopper capacity of 8 pounds, it provides ample space for grilling, smoking, roasting, and baking a variety of foods, from burgers to brisket. Its digital arc controller maintains consistent temperatures, ensuring precision cooking from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Featuring foldable legs for portability, easy assembly, and versatility in cooking styles, the Tailgator combines convenience and performance, making it an excellent choice for those who want a reliable, wood-fired flavor in a compact form factor. The Traeger Grill's Tailgator is a portable wood pellet grill with a 300-square-inch cooking area and an 8-pound hopper, offering precise temperature control from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for grilling, smoking, roasting, and baking. It features foldable legs for easy transport and setup, making it perfect for tailgating, camping, or backyard cooking, while delivering rich wood-fired flavor and reliable performance in a compact design. Number 2. Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 24. The Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 24 is a versatile pellet grill that combines the convenience of pellet cooking with the flavor-enhancing features of a traditional wood or charcoal smoker. It boasts a large cooking area of 811 square inches, making it perfect for grilling, smoking, baking, roasting, braising, and barbecuing. Its innovative smoke box allows users to add wood chips or chunks, enhancing the smoky flavor profile of food beyond what typical pellet grills offer. Equipped with smart smoke technology, the grill provides precise temperature control from 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and integrates a digital PID controller for maintaining consistent heat. The Woodwind Pro 24 also includes a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled controller, allowing you to monitor and adjust cooking settings remotely using the Camp Chef app. Its easy ash cleanout system, sidekick attachment compatibility, and durable stainless steel construction further enhance its appeal for both novice and experienced grillers seeking convenience, versatility, and rich wood-fired flavors. Number 1. Weber SmokeFire EPX6 Stealth. The Weber SmokeFire EPX6 Stealth is a high-performance wood pellet grill designed for versatility and convenience, offering a wide temperature range from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for both low and slow smoking and high-heat searing. It features a sleek, all-black design with a porcelain enamel finish that resists rust and cracking, providing durability and a modern look. The grill comes with Weber Connect Smart technology, which provides real-time notifications on cooking progress, food readiness, and fuel levels through a mobile app, ensuring precision grilling every time. The large 1,008 square inches of cooking space, along with the flavorizer bars that help distribute heat evenly and add smoky flavor, make it ideal for cooking large meals or hosting gatherings. Additional features include a DC-powered engine to prevent auger jams, a high-capacity pellet hopper for extended cooking sessions, an easy clean ash and grease drawer, and built-in LED lighting for grilling at night. The Weber SmokeFire EPX6 Stealth combines advanced technology, robust construction, and user-friendly design, catering to both seasoned grill masters and beginners.
And that concludes today's exploration of tech wonders here on Technify. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let us know your favorite tech marvel in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. You won't want to miss our daily dives into the latest and greatest in technology. Stay tuned for more top-tier tech reviews.